What's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Matt, bruh. I'ma just tell you right now, this one right here is for the ones who, well, yeah, it's two criteria people will really actually understand and feel this shoe, right? One, old heads. Yeah, I said it. Whatever. Seasoned sneakerheads, sneakers veterans, sneaker OGs, all the above, right? And people who grew up watching basketball in the 90s, bro. Yo, 96, we all know what that year was for MJ. But on the other side of that was that Seattle Supersonics team, bro. And the color they wore was this one. What is that? That is the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Seattle Supersonics colorway. Yeah. So those two criteria kind of make these shoes go, but upon further review, when you throw the flag on the play, you realize when you get these joints out the box just how premium the quality is on this sneaker, bruh. This joint is wrapped in nubuck, bruh, and it's not that hard nubuck either, bruh. Like, this nubuck right here is, boy, look at that right there. That is some. You hear that? Do you hear that? Yeah, man. These is tough. I ain't gonna hold you at all. It's gonna be a quick one, bruh. But I'ma just tell you right now, do yourself a favor if you ain't got them already and you're a fan of those two criteria, bruh. You need to go get these ASAP, because we all know what Sean Kemp and Gary Payton and Detlef Shrimp was to the NBA, bruh. To the Seattle Supersonics, bruh. Yeah, they ain't there no more. They moved on to OKC. Got it. Who cares? We talking about nostalgia right here. And let's get into the details, right? Let me get a little closer so I can talk to you. Just me and you, right? Look at this quality on this sneaker, bro. The quality on this sneaker is freaking nuts. Do you hear me? Nuts, right? You got the swoosh here. It's probably, hell, that's got a little, no, that's leather. But the nubuck on this is the only thing on this shoe that ain't nubuck, bro. This, yeah. But then you got the double swoosh, bro, with the gold down there at the bottom, bro. Stop it. Knock it off. Then you got the gold hits here, and the tongue on the SB here is different than SBs in the past. So that's dope. You got the ventilation up there, kind of like strawberry, to be honest with you, right? The green laces, which kind of make that joint pop just a little bit, right? Subtle, right? But if you want to go crazy, you put the yellow laces in there, because guess what? It come with 3 pair of laces, bro. We got the red, we got the green that they come pre-laced, and we got the yellow. Now, I'm actually torn, 100% torn on which one I think is the best one. Like, it's a tough decision, bro. I hate these kind of decisions. But let me know down in the comment section what you think. We're going with the green, or we're going with the yellow, or we're gonna rock them just like this. But y'all know me, I'm gonna probably rock it just like that. The hell what people say, oh, you got a gray beard, and your mama got a gray beard. I'm just saying. The outsole on these joints, wrapped in that gum outsole, bro, stop it, knock it off. Anytime you can get an SB, man, with a decent colorway off the top and that gum outsole, man, you already know. And for the people who that really don't like that, what should I call it, sail colorway, ain't no sail on these shoes, bro. That's white, so you already know we good. But man, it's simple, but again, the build quality, the choice of materials on this shoe, bro, is what makes this joint even more special for me. And I'm pretty sure if you're a fan of those two criteria, even if you're not, you just like Nike SBs in a dope colorway, these is it. It's not Christmas. It's the Seattle Supersonics, so stop playing with me. Don't do that shit, dog. Back to the shoe, man. Ain't nothing else really else to say about this shoe, man, other than quality is great. You got 3 sets of laces, so you got options, right? And it comes from a team that just ain't there no more. The Seattle Supersonics is no more. So again, we can take a trip down memory lane and get something wrapped in that jersey color that they wore in '96, which was an iconic year for that franchise. Not so much in the finals, but it was an iconic year for that team, bro. Come on, man, let's go. Nike SB has done it again. They're keeping the lights on at Nike, bro. Other than their running sneakers, which a couple of these other, never mind, we ain't getting into that. But SB is keeping the lights on over at Nike, and we all know that we waiting on the SB4s to come out. They're gonna be even worse, harder to get this time than the pine green. And supposedly they got a midnight navy colorway coming out too for those. So we got the red and the Nike SB, bro. This has been a year. I think I bought more SBs this year than I've ever bought in my entire life. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jesus Christ, I really bought that many SBs this year. Wow. We might rank them joints, but by far I do think these are the best SB for personal reasons. That it ain't gonna break the hype meter for sure, but again, for my personal opinion, I do believe this is the best well-crafted SB that I bought this year, hands down. And I got a couple heaters, man. Missed on a pop-up, girl, but that's beside the point. And I ain't paying over retail for them shits. I'm not doing it, but that's another story. But man, do yourself a favor, bro. Take it from your boy here, Money Matt, bro. These right here slap. That's all I can say about it, bro. Like 100%. I can't wait to get a fit. I was trying to get a fit before before I got these delivered, and yeah, it just didn't work out because I'm still Christmas shopping, and yeah, it is what it is, right? All right. But hit me in the comment section, bro. Let me know which one of these you would go for, bro. The green or the gold? Let me know down in the comment section, and let me know down in the comment section whether these are fire for you, or they trash, or they just a hard pass for you. Let me know down in the comment section. Holla at your boy, man. I hang out in the comment section. I try to reply to everybody that leave a comment, so let me know. Again, hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, man. Helps the channel. We want to get this thing in front of most people as we can, so we can continue to grow here on the set, where we talk about sneakers, electronics, and toys. I'm your boy Money Matt, man. I'm gonna get out of here, man. Quit playing with these damn shoes and go find something important to do with my life, as you should as well after you hit that like button. These shits is dope, yo. I ain't gonna hold you. These shits is dope. And I think once you get them in hand, you'll say the same thing. Get on out of here, folks. Peace.